Okay, so ROKU here is really starting to pay off. Here it is making a new day high now, 2-day new day high. Currently have almost 31% in it. So right now, I think the thing to do is start moving the stop up and make sure we protect some of those profits. Good trading for those that are in that. Way to go. Hey, I also want to point out that if you haven't checked it, over the weekend, I received my statement for my Road to Wealth account. And if you want to take a look at that statement, you just simply go over here to Trading Results, click on Trading Results, and there we are. As of you can see that, well, what is it? August wasn't the greatest of months. It still rose. Here, I can make that bigger. There we go. We still rose, but certainly was not making money kind of like this right here. There we go. But still a nice increase since the first of the year, 258%. Way to go. I like that. Seems to be working out there. Alrighty, I just want to point that out. We'll see you guys. I'm going to actually head to lunch now, so we'll see you guys after lunch. Take care.